Hi class, let's take a look at example 6. In example 6, well, the t is only greater than or equal to 0 if it's actually part of the domain. And 3 coordinate points will be sufficient. Also, we're going to be using the shortcut on the calculator to evaluate it. So t, and then x is equal to the sinh of t, y is equal to the cosh of t, and then our x's and y's. Okay, so let me start with 0, and I need you to plug it in into the calculator. X is equal to the sinh of 0, and y is equal to the cosh of 0. So please plug them in. But cosh of 0 is going to be 1. I'm just confirming the value since it's not one that okay, so give me a second. So the sinh of 0, it's actually 0. And the cosh of 0 is the values of 1. So we're looking at 0, 1 for our first coordinate point. So we're looking at 0, 1, which is here. This is at t is equal to 0. Okay, the next values that we pick, they're probably going to end up being messy. Please evaluate me these two. So x is equal to the sinh of 1. So we're going to get a decimal approximation. And y is equal to the cosh of 1, which we're also going to get a decimal approximation. Okay, so let me give you the sinh of 1. As a decimal, I'm getting 1.18. I'm rounding to 2. And then the cosh of 1, I'm getting approximately 1.54. So 1.18 and 1.54. So I'm just going to say that is technically 1. 1.54, if this is 2, somewhere around here. So this will be t is equal to 1. One more value, but you can already see that it's going to start looking like an exponential because of the nature of the sinh and the cosh. So at 2, we're going to get x is equal to sinh of 2, and y is equal to cosh of 2. So x is equal to, okay, 3.63. So 3.63, your cosh value at 2, it's 3.76. So y is approximately 3.76. I'm rounding both of these to 2 decimal places. So we're looking at 3, 1, 2, 3. 3 point, so this is 4, so this is 3, and 2, 3. So 3.60 and then 3.7. So somewhere out here. So maybe a little bit lower. So around 3.5 and 3.7. I'm just going to put that value around here. So this will be t is equal to 2. And then, well, the actual sinh and cosh are just exponential functions. So it's going to actually go in this direction. With, it's supposed to be doing a little bit more of a curve, but it's supposed to be doing that. Okay, so this is it. And it's supposed to be curvy. Sorry guys, I'm trying to make it better. So it's gonna go in that direction. Okay, let me just fix that point, because technically it's an exponential, so it is supposed to be a little bit curvy, obviously not to scale. Okay, let me just remove that last point. Okay, not the perfect exponential, but that is actually fine.